And here for SocialFlight, and we're here at the Cermak Airport, which is Titan Aircraft's home airport, and we're here with Gunfighter, one of Titan Aircraft's own company aircraft. We're here, we're doing a photo shoot, and as part of that, we're also using the opportunity to go and look at all the different parts of the aircraft as we go through our build, so that we can try to see how were things done at the factory to clear up any questions we have and get some ideas on some things that they may have done that are a little beyond the plans, really eloquent ways of solving some challenges along the way or adding some very cool features. And then we're going to go from here to the Titan Aircraft factory, pick up our tail kit, our finish kit, a few other pieces, and get back on our way to home SocialFlight, our home build workshop in Marlborough, Massachusetts. So I'm here with Ben. We made it back from another trip out to the Titan Aircraft factory in Austinburg, Ohio, and we got all these cool parts, most of which make it look a lot more like an airplane, right?
Yeah.
So we just piled them here into our room at the house, and we don't want to take over any more of the house with an airplane. We already have our dining room and living room completely taken over, so we're not going to take over this room permanently, right?
Yeah.
Let's empty this out by doing a little inventory of what we've got for parts and show you some of the very, very cool parts that we have as part of this. All right?
Yeah, can't wait.
So this may be the coolest part we picked up. Totally. This is, of course, the canopy. Here, show it like that. It is, I don't think there's a single thing on this airplane that looks more like a T-51 Mustang than when you get the canopy. It shows that we're getting close.
Yes, you are.
All right, let's haul this baby out. And we have this bad boy. That is so cool. So the vertical stabilizer comes as basically a completed part, as you can see here. And so talk about making leaps forward. The fact that we're just going to be able to mount this right on the frame, all of a sudden it's going to look like we've got an airplane going. So why don't you bring that into our workroom. Another very cool part that we've got is this. This is our scoop. So the air scoop, the radiator gets mounted behind this in the fuselage, and so scoop is very, very cool. This is where we have one of the horizontal stabilizer parts. This goes facing forward. Another part that's very finished. It's pretty exciting when it comes to the wings and the center section and the tail. A lot of components here are done by Titan in order to, here you go, in order to guarantee that they're done safely and straight and secure. and have the strength needed to do that right. And so that's really exciting because, you know, again, the fuselage frame and the key components here being done at the factory are pretty important. We have a lot of seat components. We're going to be rebuilding this slightly, but this is a seat that we can... This box here has our radiator. So the radiator that goes underneath there and handles, of course, all the cooling for the engine. So P51 and our T51, famous for its radiator cooling, and that's that really signature scoop that that is on the bottom of the aircraft. We also have fiberglass fairings, and these are for the wings. So these fairings are going to get finished and attached and used for the trailing edge, in this case, of the wings. These are the leading edge fairings. This is for the vertical stabilizer. This is the fairing that goes on for the vertical stabilizer. We have some sheet metal pieces, more components. Oh, all right, so we finished pretty much everything that we brought in here, starting to clear out the room, but we have a couple big components left that are very exciting to see. What have we got in the box, Ben?
So we have the elevators.
The elevators. So we've got this one, says the left-hand elevator, and the right-hand elevator, which comes with electric trim already installed. So these are very exciting because, again, big components completed from the factory except for the skinning, and that really translates into us seeing this plane start to come together, right?
Yeah.
So what was your favorite part of this adventure, Ben?
I'd say Cracker Barrel stops on the way back.
Cracker Barrel stops in the middle of the night to have breakfast, and also, of course, the photo shoot that we did. Ben got to take the cover photo that'll be coming out in Plane and Pilot magazine of the Titan T-51 Mustang. That
it's exciting.
That was very, very exciting. So really, really cool stuff. And now it's time to take some of the parts that we have that are not going to get used right away and put those away in protected storage here at the house, but then also take the other parts and get to work doing some more building on our T-51 Mustang. So we're ready to go. Until then, I'm Jeff Simon. This is Ben. We're from SocialFlight.com. Be sure to check out SocialFlight.com and download the SocialFlight mobile app. We have tens of thousands of aviation events, places to fly, and things to do, and that's what we're all about at SocialFlight, right?
Yep.
Motivating aviation, getting people to fly, and spreading the word. So until our next installment, we look forward to seeing you again. Thanks for joining us, and blue skies